Hi everyone, so this is Prince Haven Made for Kids live. And we just finished our live print at Damilayo's birthday party. Trust me, we brought the group, we brought the experience, and we brought all the vibe to this party. The kids had the opportunity to customize bucket hats, t-shirts, throw pillow, and it was fun. There was no dull moment.
Define your design.
Okay. I'm going to put this. I'm going to put this fun thing around it, and I'm going to put these small pictures just around.
Say happy birthday to your friend.
Happy birthday, Damilayo.
So book us for your event. If you want the people coming to your event to experience live print, just book us live. You can reach out to us, go to our IG page, or reach out to us on WhatsApp, and we'll be there live on direct to create this experience. Apart from live events, we also do corporate gifting, souvenirs, promotional items, anything that has to do with customization, personalization. Prince Haven, we got you.
So what's the design?
I put ice cream, a letter S, because my name starts with S, and an umbrella.
Okay, so what inspired this kind of design?
I don't know. I just like ice cream. Thank you. And I also asked my mom, and she said that she likes the umbrella.
Alright, thank you.
Bye bye.
What you want to fun with your design?
Like summer.
Made for Kids is a subsidiary of Haven by KFA. We have a lot of products. This is our third event for this week, and it has been an amazing one. We have throw pillow, we have t-shirts, we have bucket hats, we have back charm, we have a lot of products. You can book us today. We are very affordable, and trust me, anything that comes out from Made for Kids is a standard one.
So reach out to us today to place your order.